Welcome YouTube, welcome to my first unboxing video. Today I've brought you a Syma X5C quadcopter. Looking at the picture here, the quadcopter has a width and a length of 31.5 centimeter and a height of 7.5 centimeter. The rotors themselves have a length of about 13.5 centimeters. I've weighed the quadcopter with a battery inside. So opening the box up, you can see there's a remote control on the left. The whole thing feels really cheap. I mean, I'm not kidding. I'm not trying to pretend that I bought very good merchandise. The whole thing is really cheap and it's built very cheaply. But what do I expect out of it? It should fly and it should give me some video. Also in the box you will find a micro USB card reader for your laptop and a really tiny screwdriver which will allow you to open up the back of the remote control to put batteries in and also to change the rotors. It comes with a charging cable, but this is only for a single battery. So that's why I went ahead and bought a kind of adapter that lets me charge 4 batteries at the same time. In the box are 4 extra rotors. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the subject, but basically the rotors are in pairs. 2 rotors are the same, so there's always one left and one right running or turning. This is the quadcopter itself. You can see the camera is already attached at the bottom. The camera is not a 1080p camera. The field of vision is a little smaller. It's comparable to a 2080p video, but it's a little bit smaller. Let me show you the scale on the video here. This is 1080p. This is what the camera is capable of. I read about it a bit online, and surprisingly, 1 minute video is about 100 megabyte. Even though they advertised it would be a 2 gigabyte SD card, for some reason they sent a 4 gigabyte card. Here you can see the battery. The battery is just stuck into the port, the cable is connected, and you can turn on the quadcopter. The flashing light you can see here means that the quadcopter wants to connect to the remote, which is currently off. Now the remote, I have to say, does not come with any batteries at all, so you should be prepared to buy some extra when you buy this kit. So now I guess it's time to read the manual, but well, who reads the manual? Let's just muck around with it. Unfortunately, it was night, otherwise I would have gone out for a little test drive.